saat ini, baik sebagai tanda kami menyambut Ibu Esther dan teman-teman, kami akan memberikan kesempatan kepada Pak Dekan untuk menyampaikan welcome speech kepada Miss Esther dan teman-teman. Pak Dekan dengan hormat, disilakan.
Baik, selamat pagi semuanya adik-adik mahasiswa. Bu Esther, welcome to kampus IAKN Ambon. Dan pagi ini kami ada semua dalam satu kunjungan besar. Understood? No, oh, it's okay. Adik-adik nanti dalam proses ada penterjemah ya, jadi nggak apa-apa, kita ikuti. Oke, Bu Esther and teams, thank you very much for welcome in Ambon Campus. And now we start program and besuk Ibu Esther and teams in campus for short music. Berharap and we hope this program adik-adik ini berarti untuk kita, and adik-adik siap, ready for kegiatan di pagi ini. Sip, ready for class music Vandaag. Ya, oke, dari saya begitu saja. Untuk tidak membuang waktu, Pak Pierre, Bu Esther, and teams, silahkan, please, stage for yours, Bu Esther and Fred. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Clap your hand for
Good luck.
Adekan.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mrs. Esther, please. Maybe you can. We are the opportunity to introduce your team. Okay, please.
Maybe can you switch off the monitors because it's maybe a little softer. Because maybe this is better.
Yeah.
Is it okay for the microphones? So, hello. Saya bicara sedikit bahasa. So, bicara Inggris, okay? But Pierre will translate. Okay? Okay. I am Esther Apitulai. I played from when I was 6 years old the piano. Because my father from Saparua and my mother thought you have to learn first piano. Just have to listen what's happening there, and you react on what's happening around you.
Teman-teman harus selalu mendengar. Kalau teman-teman memasak kan memang saya bisa dengar, tapi teman-teman harus dengar kiri kanan apa yang terjadi, apa yang terjadi di sekitar teman-teman sekalian.
It's communication with music.
Ini masalah komunikasi dengan musik, berkomunikasi dengan musik.
Universal.
Ini sesuatu yang universal.
The whole world. You can talk to the whole world with your music.
Kamu bisa bicara ke seluruh dunia dengan menggunakan musik.
So I can play for you and you understand.
Kalau dia bermain, teman-teman semua bisa mengerti.
But I don't speak Indonesian.
Karena dia mengerti bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah. So first I'd start piano.
Jadi dia mulai dengan belajar piano.
And I wanted to play violin.
Tapi dia ingin belajar main biola.
Yeah, but my brother played already the violin.
Tapi dia pun kakak laki-laki itu sengaja main biola dulu.
And my parents wanted not to me to play violin.
Pardon?
My parents said there is already one violin player,
Oh, oke.
and they wanted me to play the piano.
Oh, tapi dia pun orang tua bilang karena tuh ada yang main biola dalam keluarga, maunya dia yang main piano.
So I was crying because I want a violin.
Jadi dia menangis karena dia maunya main biola.
Yeah. And when I was complaining and asking and demanding, please, can I have a violin? I got a violin when I was 12 years old.
Oh, akhirnya dia minta, membujuk dia ke mama, akhirnya pas dia umur 12 tahun, baru dia dapat yang biola.
And I was so enthusiastic.
Jadi begitu senang sekali,
Finally, I have my violin.
akhirnya dia punya biolanya.
So I was totally concentrated, focused to play the violin.
Akhirnya dia fokus sepenuhnya untuk belajar biola.
Because I was not allowed to play first for my parents.
Karena dia dulunya saya yang dibolehkan untuk
Yeah,
belajar
yeah,
biola.
yeah. So when I started violin,
Kalau waktu dia mulai belajar biola,
I couldn't stop anymore.
dia tidak bisa berhenti lagi.
So I don't know about you,
Jadi dia cerita mulai teman-teman semua,
but for me, I was addicted to play every day and practice every day.
tapi buat dia kecanduan untuk main tiap hari, latihan tiap hari.
So when you want to be a violin player,
Jadi kalau teman-teman mau jadi pemain biola yang baik,
the passion must be in your body.
jadi teman-teman harus punya passion dari dalam teman-teman itu.
You want to play everything was possible.
Teman-teman mau betul-betul bermain dan semua hal itu menjadi mungkin.
So if you want to become a great violinist, or actually maybe I was playing different, you have to try to challenge yourself to try to be the best out of yourself.
Teman-teman harus menantang teman-teman sendiri untuk menjadi yang terbaik dari dalam teman-teman sendiri.
Find yourself who you are and what you really want with the violin.
Teman-teman harus temukan apa yang teman-teman sendiri mau dengan menggunakan biola itu.
Yes. So when I was 18, I went to the music conservatory.
Oh, waktu dia umur 18 tahun dia masuk ke konservatori. Teman-teman tahu konservatori kan?
Amsterdam.
Di Amsterdam.
And then I went to Germany, to Berlin.
Lalu kemudian dia lanjutkan di Berlin di Jerman.
That was a high school and it was international.
Itu di sekolah menengah atas, itu internasional, skalanya internasional.
And then I did some international competition.
Oh, lalu dia masuk ke dalam kompetisi internasional.
And I won one, and the second one I didn't.
Yang pertama kali dia juara, tapi yang kedua dia sayang.
Okay, but I play the viola, not the violin, but the viola.
Oke, teman-teman dia mainnya tuh viola, bukan biola. Teman-teman tahu bedanya dong?
How do you say viola in Malay, in bahasa Bahasa?
Viola bahasa Indonesia viola kan? Viola.
Viola. Oh, viola. So yeah, viola, viola.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, anyway. So, when I get up, I get my violin and I start to practice.
Setiap dia bangun pagi, dia ambil dia pung biola, lalu dia mulai berlatih.
coffee, no breakfast.
tanpa sarapan,
Then I do
lalu kita bikin
some exercises.
latihan-latihan.
Because if you play the violin, your body must be totally relaxed.
Karena waktu teman-teman main biola, teman-teman pun semua harus betul-betul relax.
Because your violin is your extension of your body.
Karena biola yang teman-teman punya adalah kepanjangan dari teman-teman punya tubuh.
So if you have your violin under, it should be like a second, a third arm.
Jadi kalau teman-teman ada tangan teman-teman pun biola, itu berarti kayak teman-teman pun tangan kedua, tangan ketiga begitu yang teman-teman pakai. Jadi itu jadi bagian dari teman-teman.
Your head must be loose.
Teman-teman pun kepala mesti sangat-sangat lemah mulai.
So before I start practicing, I do some exercise like this, relax arm, this, breathing out, everything loose.
Jadi sebelum dia latihan tiap pagi, dia harus merilekskan diri. Dia bikinnya kok exercise kayak tadi itu, kayak kasih biar dia mau ngatin badan-badan semua.
But I think you are all very relaxed, aren't you?
Tapi kayaknya teman-teman semua sangat rileks hari ini.
Yeah? Okay, good. But you think you're relaxed, but you can be more relaxed.
Teman-teman pikir mungkin tuh rileks, tapi sebenarnya masih bisa lebih rileks lagi.
More the more, breathing and out.
Semakin teman-teman bernapas, lalu tarik keluar, bernapas, lalu tarik keluar.
So, oh yeah, okay. So let's do it all together.
Oh, mari kita bikin sama ya teman-teman ya. Teman-teman
Bendini,
begini.
bendini. So do you have space? Space?
Ya, teman-teman kasih ruang di antara masing-masing supaya dia mau tabrak.
So, we breathe in
Tarik nafas,
and out.
ikut teman-teman. Keluar. Tarik. Keluar.
Now your arm
Teman-teman pun tangan ikuti dia.
and out. In,
Tarik.
out.
Keluar.
Again.
Lagi.
Now you go on your toes. On your
Sampai
feet.
jinjit, sampai jinjit.
Yes. Big and
Tinggi sekali.
loose.
Lepas ke bawah.
Again.
Lagi ya.
And whoa. Yeah. You can make sounds
Bisa pakai suara teman-teman.
without breathing. So in and out. Whoa. In and out. Whoa. So now you do this. Your shoulders and your neck really loose.
Kasih longgar teman-teman pung bahu dan leher.
Very good. Last exercise.
Terakhir, latihan terakhir.
Well, I do more, but for now.
Cek satu.
You do this.
Seperti ini teman-teman ikuti.
You breathe in
Tarik nafas.
and out. And your arms should be really loose.
Lepas teman-teman tepuk tangan. Tangan lepas supaya akan ikut gerakan badan sah.
Because you need your arms when you play.
Karena teman-teman butuh teman-teman tepuk tangan waktu main.
Okay, thank you. Terima kasih. Okay. Okay, this is better, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Moet ook de microfoon gebruiken. So that's what I do. I wake up, coffee, exercise.
Itu tiap pagi, bangun.
Then I look at my violin. Yes, he's there.
Lalu Kalau beta ada beta biola, nah dia tuh ada nih.
So the bow
Bow
makes the sound
yang bikin suara
of you personally,
dari teman-teman sendiri.
not the left side. Left
Jari bagian
left
kiri, jari-jari
is only technique,
hanya untuk tekniknya,
quick.
cepat-cepat saja.
Only when you make vibration.
Hanya untuk teman-teman bikin vibrasi.
This is an interpretation.
Ini hanya interpretasi.
Yeah, but the sound
Tapi suara
is right.
dari bow, dari tangan kanan.
So you have to practice more the bow
Tapi karena itu teman-teman harus latihan bow lebih sering
than left hand.
daripada yang tangan kiri.
Okay. So I'll play what I did. So I did the exercise, I'm relaxed. I put my violin under my chin, but my neck is loose.
Beta punya biola di sini, tapi beta punya leher lurus.
My legs are, everything is loose.
Beta pun kaki semua longgar.
So it's not,
Relax.
no,
Jadi
no,
bukan kaku.
no. Then I start actually only with one string.
Jadi waktu beta mulai pertama tuh pasti mulai dengan satu string saja.
To feel the sound in my body.
Untuk merasakan soundnya, bunyi suaranya dari dalam beta pun tubuh.
So I'll show you.
Beta setuju?
I do my head like this,
Beta goyang-goyang kepala kayak begini
all to the point
sampai ujung,
and all to the frog.
sampai dia pemuka lain.
Yeah, good. Yeah. And the sound should be only your bow and your violin.
Jadi yang bunyi hanya boleh kamu punya bow dengan dia punya biola.
No pressure.
Tidak
Because
ada tekanan.
the bow is heavy enough to make sounds.
Oh, karena dia punya bow itu sudah cukup berat untuk bikin bunyi, jadi tidak boleh teman-teman tekan.
You get it? So when I do like this, nothing, like this, you have sounds. Oh. Okay. So no pressure with your hand.
Jadi saya boleh tekan dengan tangan.
If you want to make dynamics, more forte,
Kalau teman-teman mau lebih dinamis, mau forte,
you move quicker. You
teman-teman
make,
bergerak lebih cepat.
So the sound is relaxed. I want to put more dynamics. I start playing
Kalau mau lebih dinamis,
more
ya,
sound.
lebih cepat.
Yeah?
Suaranya lebih banyak.
Okay. No pressure, no pressure.
Jangan tekan.
Because a string
Karena string
is very thin.
sangat-sangat tipis.
If you press it in the violin, the sounds.
Kalau teman-teman tekan dia punya string masuk ke dalam dia punya biola.
You want it out.
Teman-teman maunya tuh dia
You,
keluar.
you want to bring it to you.
Teman-teman mau bawa ke semua orang.
You see, so I want to give it to you, to the sound, to the
Kita mau kasih suaranya
the
tuh
space.
keluar, ke ruang.
Okay. This is a basis way, huh?
Ini hal-hal yang dasar.
Yeah. So to play, I just say some technical things, yeah? You divide the bow in two parts.
Bownya itu terbagi menjadi dua. Ini hal-hal teknis dulu teman-teman. Bownya terbagi dua.
This is the middle. Here. If you see, is moeilijk om te zeggen, the bow
Kalau teman-teman
Is-
lihat bownya,
is parallel with your upper arm.
itu dia paralel dengan teman-teman pun tangan atas.
You see? Yeah.
Sejajar.
Okay. The underarm
Ya teman-teman, tangan yang bagian bawah
parallel with the
paralel dengan dia punya
touch. Yeah. I don't know.
apa tuh?
The touch. Where you put. Okay. So that's the middle
Itu
middle of the bow.
Oh, itu bagian tengah dari bow.
So the move.
Posisinya teman-teman ya, perhatikan toh, ngerti ya?
This is the right. Yeah.
Ini adalah posisi yang paling betul. Bagian tengah bow tuh tadi itu paralel di bagian kanan.
Yeah.
Bownya paralel dengan atas. Dia punya biolanya itu paralel dengan tangan bawah.
That's the middle.
Itu bagian middle ya, bagian tengahnya.
So this is your jalan. This is your way to play.
Ini caranya teman-teman untuk main.
And you play exactly in the middle here.
Oh, jadi teman-teman harus main itu di tengah pas-pas.
Not here or here.
Nah, posisinya perhatikan teman-teman, bukan di situ atau di sini tapi di tengah.
Basis, huh? Because of course you can play here, but then it's more soft. If you play in the middle, it's the basic sound. If you go play more to the bridge, you call this bridge, the sound is more, I'll show you. Yeah. So this is neutral. If I can play here, it's more soft.
Maju akan lebih soft.
Normal, if I go here, it's more
dia
sharp.
lebih tajam.
Yeah. Okay. This is just that you know. Okay, when I start the violin to practice, I start in the middle, then I go to the point,
Dia main dimulai dari tengah sampai ke poin ujung,
and back.
lalu kembali ke tengah.
The movement, you see, is only this. Not this.
Oh, yang bergerak hanya tangan bawah, tangan atas itu
Only
bergerak.
this. Okay? So if I start here, to the middle, to the point.
Nah,
So if you want to practice, if it's difficult, you can
kalau teman-teman mau latihan tapi dia susah, teman-teman bisa
you go
sandar ke dinding,
you practice like this.
latihannya seperti ini.
This is the upper bow. To totally
Ini
relax.
bagian atas dari bow.
Without
Teman-teman
accent.
relax.
If you go to the frog, from here, sorry,
Kalau teman ke arah mukanya,
down,
ke bawah,
you move with your elbow up, like this. Boop.
teman-teman bergerak
Yes.
menggunakan siku.
Yeah. So, this is one, next, next. So you push your elbow up. I'll show you. See? It's your whole arm.
Semua tangan bergerak, karena
Yeah.
siku yang bergerak.
So you have to use, you bought your whole bow, so you have to use it.
Teman-teman sebeli bow jadi harus pakai
Till here.
sampai ujung pas kali,
Exact. Till here.
sampai ujung pas kali.
Yeah. Because you can make sound on little moments, like here, you see?
Karena suara itu bisa dapat di ujung.
So you always have to use everywhere.
Jadi teman-teman harus pakai dari ujung sampai ujung.
Where you play on the bow is, it shouldn't matter. You can play up. Oh yeah, it's more too technical, but maybe. Okay. Is there somebody who has a violin?
Ada yang biola?
Yes. Can you bring?
Boleh ke depan?
Yeah. So maybe we can berdiri,
Semua teman-teman bisa berdiri.
and you do your like you have a bow there.
Pura-pura teman-teman, ya pura-pura ya teman-teman ada pegang bow.
Now you go to the point, and you do only this, and your elbow should be still.
Teman-teman siku sih boleh bergerak, hanya tangan bawah saja.
Yes. That's it. Yes. And try your shoulders loose,
Tapi bahu mesti tetap relax.
relaxed. Okay. We stop in the middle,
Berhenti di tengah, berhenti di tengah.
and now you go to the frog with your movement with your elbow.
Nah, sekarang giliran sikunya yang berat sampai ke depan.
Yeah. And then you go with your elbow, you push it. So just one moment. Can you do like you want to hit somebody with your
Kayak mau
elbow?
pukul seseorang.
Bam! Bam! Yeah. So, wah. So this yeah, this.
Kuat.
This feeling. But now slow.
Pelan-pelan sekarang pelan.
Plan. And then you do same back. Yeah. So can you bring your violin? Can you come?
Yang bawa viola boleh ke depan.
Good. Okay.
Agak sebentar.
So I'll do. Yes, you can sit down. Duduk. Terima kasih. Okay. So you did your loose. Yeah, very good. You put your violin under your chin.
Taruh di viola.
Mm-hmm. You feel it's loose, yeah? Can you say yes, no?
Bisa bicara ya tidak.
Mm-hmm. Tidak. Move your head.
Gerakin kapal bisa kakak.
Okay. So you put your bow in the middle.
Taruh bow di tengah kayak tadi.
Good. Exactly in the middle.
Pas di tengah kakak.
It's like the cars in Ambon, how they drive.
Kayak waktu di Ambon.
It's chaotic, yeah?
Pasti kalau lo berjalan pasti
They drive there, everywhere.
Putar ke kiri ke kanan.
But in violin, you must
Tapi
be
dalam viola
exact in the middle.
mesti pas di tengah-tengah.
Okay. So you have your there. Then we move only your underarm
Yang tangan bawah sah kakak. Ya, tarik
to the
sampai
point.
sampai point.
Point. Yes. All the way.
Sampai ujung.
Stop. Now you move again your underarm to the middle. Stop. This is too far.
Sampai tengah kakak.
So if you go here, yeah. Stop. The next is
Itu dua bagian kakak. Yang sama ya.
there. Stop. Listen. Yeah, can you do it? Yes, very good. Stop. Yes. And can you try? Wait.
Tengah dulu.
Empty. Empty. Oh, wait. Ik zie die kan helemaal. Die staat echt in de val. Wait. later. Can you translate? I choose, I will choose
Dia ada kuning nanti
violin
setelah ini.
later because everything is very stuck.
Karena harus tahu karena
You say later.
Kan tahu karena saya mungkin bagian pendengaran. Tapi ini ini memang betul apa kata?
This is good now, yeah?
Tapi ini tuh ini.
But these are very,
Ini sebetulnya dia mesti agak fokus kok kata.
this is great.
Ini sebenarnya agak ya.
I do later, yeah? First we do the bowing.
Coba dia go dulu.
Yeah. Is there more violin later? Are there more violin?
Apa ya? Ada yang bawa nih kan?
Dari viola tuh.
Okay.
Ayo ada yang bawa nih. Tim sama baru kah? Ayo, nah itu ada tuh.
Ah. Right. Okay, so middle, middle, not here, not here, middle, yeah. Then you go to the point. Good, back. Stop. Now to here. Yes. You get it? Okay. Hello.
Ada orang siapa? Sandra.
Sandra. Sandra. So you put your bow in the middle.
Taruh bawahnya dipegang kan?
Tarbo,
Bow. That bow. Yeah. Actually, you should. Yeah. Middle. Relax.
Relax lah.
Relax. Then you go to the point.
Ke ujung. Kayak tadi tuh. Tangan bawah saya bergerak. Sampai tengah.
You do this too.
Sampai tengah dulu.
Very good. Relax. Stop. There you go to the stop.
Sekarang naik ke atas. Sampai puncak. Buka.
Stop. Very good. Stop. Now do it yourself.
Ujung.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Only. Now you see you can this.
Ini sudah turun.
Bagus. Bagus. So now inside do the whole bow. So put in the middle.
Taruh di tengah. Sekarang akan coba bikin hook.
In the middle. Yeah.
A whole bow.
Yeah. You start in the middle. Middle.
Mulai di tengah, mulai di tengah, mulai di tengah, mulai di tengah.
Yeah. Then you go to the point.
Ke ujung.
Yeah. So wait. Stop. Wait. Point. Stop. Breathe. So you go back to the middle.
Ke tengah lagi.
Stop. A little bit further.
Sampai tengah, sampai tengah.
Then you go to the row.
Sekarang kamu.
Elbow. All the way. Go. Yes. To the stop. Relax. And then you with your elbow, you go to the middle. Stop. You go to the point. Stop. Back to the middle. Stop. Stop. Oh, wait. Now you do together. Sama-sama. Satu, dua, tiga. Stop. Satu, dua, point. One, two, three. Stop. One, Tiga. Sorry. Together, together. Down. Okay, to the point. Okay, I'll help you. Shall we do this? Satu, dua, tiga. Satu, dua. Support, very strong. Ya. Satu, dua. Okay, without counting,
Sampai top.
just follow me, yeah? In the middle? In the middle? Yeah. Follow me. Yeah? So try to have the same speed as I did. Together, together, yeah. Dah cepat? Quicker. Cepat, cepat. Ya. From pelan-pelan sampai cepat. Okay? Okay. Okay. Follow me, ya. What? Ya, buat kita bahasa. Follow me. Jadi bahasa. Ikuti saya. Oke, ikuti saya. Ikuti saya. understand. You feel it? You do it good. You do it good. You do it good. Yeah. Bagus. Can you play a song? Can you play something? Ayo, oh yeah, your violin is. You want here? Maybe you can't go. Viola. But can you play a song or can you play on the violin? You can, yes. Bravo, huh? Oh, you play what you have. Just say. Okay.
Laju.
Yeah, here.
Pemain di nanti sama main di
Main di?
sebagai
Oh iya. Main desa.
di visual saja bisa.
Hah?
Di visual saja sudah.
Hah?
Di visual.
Desa?
Di visual bisa apa tidak? Di visual bisa apa tidak?
Yang mana? MS Inggris ya?
No. Mereka dulu saja.
MS Inggris sudah. Main mana?
Di
Thank you, very good. Very good. Captain, hoe laat is het? Oh, kan ik nog wel eventjes doorgaan. Ja. Ja. Thank you for playing.
Lagi banyak tuh.
Yeah, very good, very good. So I told you when I stand up, I do some exercises. I do my, I'll do it later, yeah. And I do loose strings like this. Then I do also a scale. You know what
Yang
is?
tadi itu dia
Ya,
bisa
so.
bikin scale.
I do the whole scale. Just
Dia bikin satu skala untuk penuh.
because if you practice melodies already,
Karena kalau teman-teman tuh latihan melodi,
then you don't practice your technique.
jadi teman-teman saya perlu latih teman-teman tuh teknik.
So you have to do technique to become better.
Jadi teman-teman harus bikin teknik dulu selesai, baru kita jadi
Yeah.
baik.
So if you only practice melodies, then you don't develop.
Jadi kalau teman-teman cuma latihan melodi saja, teman-teman tidak akan berkembang. Bikin
Yeah.
teknik dulu.
So I do this like this. Like we did. Whole bow, swing, swing, swing,
Swing, swing,
Wow.
goyang, goyang.
wow, wow. So like this. Okay, so I think I can go on for hours, but can I go on? Or
Well, actually you have like 30 minutes, but it depends what you want to teach them.
now 30 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I could just go on for 30 minutes. Okay, I can play something for you.
Dia mau main sesuatu buat teman-teman semua.
This is from Chrysler,
Ini dari
Chrysler, and it's a melody a little bit sad because he's in love and she said, I'm not in love with you.
Ini melodinya agak-agak sedih karena laki-laki ini dia naksir cewek ini, tapi cewek ini bilang kata jangan marah Kyo, gitu.
Terima kasih. So I showed you a little bit also the movement. So when you have the melody starts with the upbeat.
Mulai dengan beat kayak untuk bikin, jadi pas mulai melodi, mulai dengan akan permainan beatnya kayak gitu.
So it starts like you start at the point.
Mulai dari titik sebelah situ,
You must be conscious where you want to play the notes.
jadi dong mesti perhatikan dong pung arah pergerakan tuh mau seperti apa.
So I start here. I go all the way to the frog. I start slow with the bow, and then you see, then you feel, oh, gee, it's not da da. I can play like this.
Jadi kalau mulai slow berarti mainnya juga slow.
This is the interpretation. So you can play like this. I can play like this, but I can also play like movements. So
Pergerakannya.
you hear the difference? Yeah,
Bisa dengarkan perbedaan.
yeah. So that's important. You have to use your bow as you make colors with the bow.
Jadi yang paling penting tuh perhatikan dong punya apa? Baunya itu. Iya.
Yeah, by different speeds.
Perbedaannya apa punya itu diperhatikan.
Yeah, it's like singing too. More sound, you want to give more sound, then it's
Sama saja katong menyanyi. Jadi kalau kas keluar suara, nah sama juga dengan menyanyi.
if you want to sing soft, you have less.
Iya. Kalau dong mau menyanyi, misalkan kan kalau menyanyi, kalau mau menyanyi lagu-lagu yang lembut, berarti suaranya agak pelan, sama saja dengan menyanyi.
So we don't have the voice, but this is our voice. The bow is our voice,
Pas main biola punya suara di dong punggung.
and that's your personal sound.
Itu dong punya suara pribadi lah seperti itu.
Everybody has his own sound.
Semua orang punya masing-masing orang punya masing-masing orang punya suaranya masing-masing, dong punya bunyi masing-masing. Seperti itu.
Masing-masing.
Iya, masing-masing.
So, so it's important that you know who you are.
Jadi sangat penting untuk tahu dong diri pribadi masing-masing sendiri.
Yeah, because okay. I tell my character.
Anto akan ceritakan.
I'm actually shy.
Anto tuh pemalu sesungguhnya.
Don't laugh, Pierre. No, I'm actually, the basis is shy. But when I play the violin,
Tapi saat Anto bermain biola,
I feel so free.
Anto merasa sangat bebas.
I can say everything
Anto bisa mengatakan segalanya, tapi melalui biola.
because it has no words.
Iya, karena bunyi kan tidak punya suara.
It's abstract. Okay. So I tell the story about somebody who is in love and their love isn't being answered. Yeah.
Jadi Antua ceritakan sesuatu tentang cinta ya, sesuatu orang yang cintai tapi cintanya belum dibalas.
Yeah. So you have to feel this feeling to play this song.
Jadi dong harus punya rasa supaya bisa mainkan lagunya.
So when you play a song and you know or you feel something, your own story with it, you have to feel it.
Jadi saat dong main satu lagu dan dong tahu cerita tentang lagu itu, dong harus betul-betul rasakan.
So I cry
Jadi Anto menangis
when I play this song.
waktu Anto main lagu itu.
Not really,
Tidak terlalu,
but inside.
tapi di dalam.
Yeah. So I start here. Here you hear the melancholic. And
Bisa dengar kok melankolis.
can they? I want them to ask to sing with me with this song. I only play the first verse.
Jadi Anto mau satu orang bolehkah nyanyi?
Try
Mencoba.
soft. Try.
Sing
Oh.
or
Yeah, they sing.
oh kakaknya nyanyi nanti Anto ya?
Yeah, no, but everybody, yeah.
Oh everybody.
Everybody,
Oh,
try. Oh, duduk.
sorry.
Later.
Sabar.
She has a violin.
Yes.
Oh, okay, good.
Punya
We
biola?
come later. Yeah. No, not now. Not now. No.
Sabar.
First, I want to sing. Everybody tries to sing with my melody.
Ya, jadi Anto mau coba teman-teman nyanyi ikuti Anto punya melodi.
Yeah. So. So now I'll do it a little bit quicker, yeah?
Jadi untuk sekarang mau bikin lebih cepat nih.
Chapati, yeah, but chapati. Together. Yes, amazing. Okay, berdiri. Now we start. Now you go from left to right.
Bergerak dari kiri ke kanan.
Your whole body
Seluruh
relaxed.
anggota tubuh relax.
Yeah. So, but first it's okay. Try to make the same movement as me.
Jadi coba untuk bikin pergerakan yang sama dengan Angkla. Anggap saya doang sambil bergerak tapi sambil menyanyi.
Yeah.
Kiri, kiri.
Did it work? Okay, once more.
Sekali lagi.
So we start kiri
Kiri.
with the bow, with your instruments. Slowly, slowly. Once more, slowly.
Pelan-pelan. Satu kali lagi pelan.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Terima kasih. So, berdiri. Duduk. Sorry. Duduk. Sit down, please. Thank you. You're very, very nice. Yes. Yeah, bagus. So, you have your violin with you. Yeah? She plays? Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you come?
Mari sini.
Yeah, just
Nama Carol.
Carol,
Iya.
Esther. Can you play a song for me?
Bisa main lagu-lagu.
Oh, it's gone. Lupa.
Oh, usually she read. Yeah.
Do you have it here?
Ada.
Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe you can play what we just did.
Bisa
Just
main.
imitate me. First note. We start above. Slowly, pelan. Very good. finger. Yeah? That's it. Once more. Apple. Yes. So the last. Yes, great. Okay, let's see with everybody, yeah? Dia menyanyi ya? Menyanyi? Ya, menyanyi, sama bersama. Okay. Together, ya? Okay, good. Bravo. Okay, I can do just one technical thing with you, what we started. Yeah, you want to? Okay, so you put your bow in the middle. In the middle, that's here. Yeah. So you feel this, maybe. So everybody can see, yeah? Yeah. So this is parallel with the bow. This. And this is okay. Yeah? That's how you have to see it. Parallel. Just a minute. Shoulder blue. Yeah? Okay, now we go through. Yeah, you have to hold your yeah. Because you don't get your head to be loose. Yeah, otherwise the acoustic of the violin is too. Can you put your in the middle? Yeah, good. Then you go to the point. No pressure. stopping. Go on, go on, go on. Open the four point. Yes, and go on all the way to the throat. Good. Now you move here. Yeah. Yes. And try to relax. Try to relax. You understand? You get this? Yes. Yes. I'm not a teacher. If I teach you, and then you can practice it every week. But now I can give you only a little. You understand? Ah, good. So try to feel. You can move. You use your elbow and feel relaxed. So the sound of your violin will be open. Yeah, easy. On your body also. Very good. Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good. Very talented. Good. Thank you. Ja, alsjeblieft. Oh ja, maar dat is wel echt Bach, hè?
Do you know Bach?
Tahu
Tahu Bach?
Johann Sebastian Bach.
Ja, dat zegt het volgens mij heel weinig. Oké. Ja. That's, in the Netherlands, when I do workshops, I'm talking about interpretation. Interpretation is how you want to play the piece.
Jadi waktu di Belanda, Anto main biolanya tuh interpretasinya tuh. I'm sorry, can you?
Say it again.
Yeah.
So, if I play Bach, for instance,
Jadi kalau Anto bermain Bach punya itu instrumennya,
he wrote it in 1680.
dia tulis akan tahun
18.
1618.
Yeah, long time ago.
Paling lama
He's dead now.
dia sekarang
Okay. He wrote a lot of notes, thousands of compositions.
dia tulis banyak sekali note,
Thousands, yeah.
ribuan.
Yeah, lima. In his music, there is no interpretation, no dynamics.
Di dalam dia punya musik itu sangat ada interpretasi, sangat ada dinamika.
Dinamika, no. If you go to Beethoven,
Kalau Don tahu Beethoven,
you know Beethoven, you have accents like ba and or soft or fortissimo, pianissimo, all kind of
kalau Beethoven dia punya di dalam dia punya itu ada akan punya fortissimo, ada akan punya
Eens even kijken dat we
piano
iets
dan
zijn.
sebagainya.
Okay. So, then you know how to play the music because everything is written how you have to play it.
Jadi Dong harus tahu mana akan punya musik karena segala sesuatu yang ditulis itu.
Okay. So Bach, you can interpret it different ways.
Jadi kalau untuk Bach Dong bisa interpretasikan dalam cara yang berbeda.
I will play for you
Nanti akan main dengan
3 interpretations.
3 interpretasi.
Okay, the same piece. Yeah, the same piece. I want you to listen which one you like the best.
Mana yang Dong paling suka?
Lagu yang sama 3 interpretasi. Teman-teman coba pilih mana yang teman-teman paling suka.
Understand?
Ya.
Okay. So I start with the first one.
Ini yang pertama ya.
Short. This was satu. Okay? Dua. This was 2. Now come 3. Okay, thank you. Now the question.
Sekarang pertanyaannya,
Who liked the first interpretation?
siapa yang suka interpretasi pertama?
Oh, nobody.
Nobody.
Who liked the second interpretation?
Interpretasi kedua, siapa yang suka?
I don't think they understand the question.
Oh,
Oh, you like the second one.
suka yang kedua.
And why?
Kenapa? Because your
The melody.
yeah
The rhythm is more clear.
yeah
Or,
no same
oh, same.
yeah
Oh,
Balance.
balance.
the balance is good. Okay. And who liked the third?
Yang mana yang tadi?
Oh, yes. Okay. And I want to know why. So I want to ask him why.
Kenapa suka yang ketiga?
Yeah. The emotion is more there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, more powerful. And you had 3 too. Why? Dynamic. You like the dynamic? Yeah. Who had more 3? Yes. Why?
She can feel more emotion.
You feel more
Yeah,
emotion.
the same answer.
Okay. And you had 2, huh? Why?
Because for me it had both. It was hard, but also it was soft. So for me it was also about that it had two sides. It was not only very strong, but it was also the more
Intimate.
delicate and soft. Was more softer.
Can you explain?
Jadi kalau kakaknya lebih suka yang kedua karena akan kayak yang selalu besar, yang selalu kecil, tapi kayak kadang besar, kadang
Ze
kecil.
willen echt
Dan
powerful
kalau
zijn.
busannya itu
Kan eens afsluiten met Thank you, terima kasih. I will finish because I think we are finished. Yeah. Are there questions? You want to ask me something? No questions. Okay. I'll play a last song for you, and that's more about. So first I played something sad,
jadi yang pertama kan tadi Antum main lagu yang sedih,
and now I play something more happy.
sekarang mau mainnya lebih bahagia.
Somebody who's in love,
Seorang yang sedang jatuh,
but the other one is in love too.
and yang dia sukai suka dia juga.
Airnya.
It's the same composer.
Ini komposernya sama deh.
Same composer. Okay, you can duduk. You can duduk. Terima kasih. I think you're a great class, and I hope really you will practice your violin every day, and maybe I hope something helps a little bit what I tried to do.
Teman-teman semua, kelas ini sangat luar biasa. Saya juga berharap teman-teman boleh setiap hari berlatih. Teman-teman punya biola, teman-teman di sini, tapi apa yang tadi itu sudah ajarkan juga teman-teman bisa latihan supaya kedepannya teman-teman bisa lebih baik.
And maybe I will come next year,
Mungkin Antua akan datang tahun depan.
and maybe we have some more time so I can help and advise.
Tahun depan Antua juga bisa punya waktu yang lebih banyak supaya bisa ada masukan-masukan yang lebih banyak juga untuk teman-teman.
Because in 2 years I will do a big event. Because in 2 years I will do a big event here.
Jadi karena 2 tahun ke depan itu Antua akan punya event yang besar, akan bikin event yang besar. Oh, there's a question.
Question.
thinking, thank you so much. What I could do, because I live far away, I can make some short films, materials for them if they want.
Jadi karena aku nggak bisa jauh, mungkin aku akan bikin video pendek lah,
find out how to get it to you right so you understand. But thank you so much. Thank you. Other questions?
Ada lagi pertanyaan kakak?
Terima kasih kesempatan yang diberikan. Perkenalkan nama saya Ani Musula.
Randi.
Ya tadi sudah dijelaskan bagaimana cara mengenal busuk atau buk. Nah di sini saya mau bertanya saja mengenai vibrato. Karena dalam bermain biola itu kalau tidak ada vibrato itu dengarnya kurang enak. Vibrato itu juga agak susah dipelajari. Jadi bagaimana agar kita dapat cepat paham dengan jenis vibrato?
Basically, his question about the vibrato.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because when they practice,
Yeah.
they can feel more vibrato. So how can you describe more about vibrato, the technique?
The technique.
Yeah.
So
So they can feel.
Yes, because vibrato, you have to translate that. Vibrato is something very personal,
Karena vibrato itu sesuatu yang sangat pribadi.
like putting your fingers on, which is basic.
Jadi kalau kayak
Technique.
Ranger di sini kan teknik biasa, teknik dasar.
The movement
Tapi perpindahannya
is coming from your inner body,
itu datang dari dalam tubuh sendiri.
but you can practice the technique.
Tapi teman-teman bisa melakukannya
It's like this.
kayak
When you put your violin, you put it here, and there. You don't use your thumb. You have to translate exactly. Everybody is there, right? Yeah? Can you do it?
ya dari jauh.
You put your finger, no matter which one,
Taruh jari, pilih yang mana saja, salah satu.
you feel like you're hanging,
Rasa kayak teman-teman ada gantung.
not pushing.
Jangan
hanging.
rilis.
So the weight of your hand
Jadi teman-teman punya
is hanging a little bit, you feel it. It's not possible, but you feel it.
Jadi rasanya tuh kayak teman-teman ngegantung gitu.
So here, you go from this, or it's like you go here,
Jadi dari sini ke sini.
you see? This is the movement slowly.
Ini jarinya tuh, jarinya.
So you start, if you do your first finger,
Kalau pakai jari ketiga,
you start first your finger going, I exaggerate, huh? Exaggerate.
Ini agak berlebihan tapi agak dilebihkan.
Back. You see it? So it's first this way, your nail that way,
kukunya ke sini.
and then you do this way.
Jadi menjadi menggerakkan
You
terus.
see? And it's easier to practice like this,
Gampang kalau latihan ini.
because then you don't have to lift to hold your violin.
Jadi kan harus bilang.
So this is easy. The whole hand.
Kamu akan satu bagian tangan.
So you can do slow, pelan-pelan, quick, both. You have to practice slow, pelan-pelan, then cepat.
Jadi harus latihan yang pelan punya latihan.
First, pelan-pelan. This. And then you can go first. But it takes some time. You have to have patience.
Jadi terkadang teman-teman juga harus punya patience.
Every day 5 minutes.
Tiap hari 5 menit
You can practice also like the guitar.
bisa latihan kayak gitu.
So you don't push. No, so it's soft.
Dan finish nanti.
Good. Then you can move. So it's soft. If you have, you're like me, your body, your anatomy is very supple. So you have to use your supple body.
Jadi teman-teman punya, kalau orang tua kan punya anatomi tubuh itu kan kayak terbiasa gitu tuh kalau teman-teman berarti
Easy. Yeah. No time.
pokoknya jangan
If you play the violin, you have to be relaxed and have fun and feel the passion. Yeah? Okay? You got it? Another question?
Ada lagi saya?
No. Okay. Thank you, terima kasih for coming here.
Okay, once again, we give applause for me. Thank you very much, Bu Esther and friends, for transfer knowledge vandaag.
Yes.
Yeah, transfer experience vandaag. Dan we hope the next year we meet again.
Yes.
Yeah,
Good.
Passion and God bless. Ibu Esther and teams. Yeah.
Thank you,
very
thank
much.
you.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Kakak atau foto bersama nanti foto bersama boleh semua.
Oh ya.
Tolong diri saya nanti baru foto. Tolong diri semua.
So where do we make the picture?
No, you just stand here because